Deal? Forward. Right. Wait. These are the Modernized Westinghouse elevators here at Woodfield Mall, Schaumburg, Illinois.
Floor L.
This one's stuck on 3. Let's go to 3. Locked, of course. Nope, I couldn't get the chime to ring. Let's go over to this one.
Floor 1.
Back up.
Floor 2.
Send this down. These were originally 1971 Westinghouses, if I remember the year correctly. Then got modded with Adams buttons. And then a generic mod that happened for occasional reasons, and now Schindler. Go. All they did was just replace the lanterns. I wish I would have updated the cabs though. That would have been nice. This one's stuck on 1, and this one's stuck on 2.
Floor L.
Wait, I think I saw a change. Deal? I'll hold it here. Oh, it did change. I couldn't really tell. Let's go to 2. I love those sensors. I wonder how fast these go. Let's see. Can't tell.
Floor 2.
Let's end on LL. Back up.
Floor L.
Sorry, I had to do that. All right, we'll end here. That's it. Wait. After 4 years,